Bonjour, mes étudiants, j'espère que tu vas bien. Moi aussi, je vais très bien. So, aujourd'hui, on va faire une lettre de classe dixième. So, again, I'm back with another video and another letter. We've already done two letters. You can go back and check that playlist. So, today it's the third letter. As I told you earlier, I'm going to cover all the letters that probably might be coming in your class 10th board exam. There are a couple of letters are there that will be there from your culture and civilization, but there will also be few letters that you can expect it's not coming from culture, like a very basic letter, describe your last vacations. Okay, so it has nothing to do with culture. So most of the time the letters come according to culture and civilization, but still be prepared for any random letter. Okay, so let's quickly jump into today's video. And I hope that you're sitting with your practice notebook while you're watching this video. And if not, then just pause, get your notebook, and then just continue. OK? Écrivez une lettre à votre frère sur le système d'éducation en Inde. En France, on a déjà fini. Write a letter to your brother on education system of France. We have already done. So we're going to do about India. So again, like you know, the format of the letter remains same. You write the place followed with date. Date is always written with article défini. Then you can write share ABC, or you can even write share frère. This is also fine, okay? So you can even write this. This is also fine. Okay, so then I told you earlier also, letter is divided into three parts. So the first paragraph is a basic paragraph where you can ask, hi, how are you? Okay. So, como va-tu? How are you? J'espère que tout va bien. I hope everything is going on fine. Je vais bien et les cours ont commencé. Okay, I am fine and the classes have already started. Mes professeurs sont sympas. Sympa, sympathique, gentil, anything you can write, okay? So my classes have already started and my teachers are kind. And then we start with our middle paragraph, which is about education system of India. So enseignement en Inde est un peu différent qu'en France. So it's a little different like France. They're not same, okay? En Inde, le système éducatif est très simple. I've made very simple sentences. It's very simple, okay? On le caractérise en général d'une façon simple. We characterize it, okay, in general in a very simple way, which is 10 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, 10 is your 10th, then plus 2 is your 12th, and then plus 3 is your graduation. L'éducation primaire est obligatoire et gratuite, okay, jusqu'à 14 ans. En Inde, it is till 14 years. In France, it was till 16 years, okay? So we are basically talking about government schools here. Le gouvernement de l'État, the government of the state, établit assez d'écoles primaires. It's establishing enough of primary schools in every department. So we have a lot of primary schools now. Mais il y a beaucoup d'autres écoles privées, but there are also private schools qui donnent une éducation de bonne qualité, gives you an education of good quality, mais ça coûte cher, but it is expensive. Okay. En fait, 10 ans dans une high school. So we do 10 years in a high school, 2 years in higher secondary school. Le diplôme de higher secondaire donne le droit d'entrer à la université. So it gives you the right. What is droit? Right. It gives you the right to enter in the university. Pour faire soit 3 ans dans un college of art and science, whether you can do a college of art and science, or you can join any professional school, okay? Soit is B. It can be 4 years in a professional school, but for joining professional school, what is important? You need to give an entrance exam. Après passant un concours d'entrée. Concours d'entrée, entrance exam, okay? So this way you can explain the system education on Inde You can even ask your brother about how is he doing. In any ways, you can end it, okay? It's an open-ended thing. So there can be different ways of ending it. You can use multiple ways. Here I have just written, I'll be waiting for your news. That's it. And then you can just finish. I'll be waiting for your news. And then your brother, John. So you can simply end by this, or you can take any other endings. If you feel like trying writing any other ending, please put it down in the comments below and I'll check it for you. Keep practicing. Half of the session has already gone. We are still left with half of the session. So keep practicing and I'm going to see you in the next video. Au revoir.